Hello everyone, so this is everything that you get. You get your power cable, double-sided mounting piece here. You got your mounting tripod, mounting screws and plates, your manual. This is the cam itself. Make sure you remove all plastic from all the lenses. On the bottom here, you can see this is where you mount your tripod. You got your reset, you got your power supply and TF card port all right inside here. So they don't provide a memory card, so make sure you have a TF card that you